I know this is a newbie question, but how do you tell you're dialed in?
TRT and Hormone Optimization channel. I was on the channel before, so I've been following the channel, watching it every now and then, so be sure to check them out.
Consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
You can tell you're dialed in when you feel pretty much the same every day. You're not having ups and downs. Your sleep has improved. Your libido has improved. Your erection quality has improved. Your cognition, your brain state has improved. You've got better energy. You find yourself losing a little bit of body fat. You find yourself maybe adding a little bit more muscle mass than you're used to if you're training. And if you've got all those things going on, I mean, you're dialed in. Whatever you're doing is working for you. Okay. For me, dialed in basically means having a lack of symptoms. Okay. If you still have symptoms, it means that maybe your protocol needs a little bit of work, or maybe it just means that testosterone wasn't necessarily the issue causing these symptoms and you need to look at something else. But when you're at the point when you're just symptom free, you're dialed in. So like if I use myself as an example right now, I have no symptoms. There's no issues that I'm having right now that I feel like I need to adjust my protocol. Everything just works. The only downside to what I'm doing is I get a little bit more acne. I get acne on my back a little bit more, my shoulders. Sometimes I get stuff like this on my arms every now and then, or I'll get like little dots on my head every now and then. Especially when it's not summertime and I'm outside. If I'm outside in the sun, I don't get it. But when it starts, like I live in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and like it's dark at like 20 after 4. I'm not getting any sun, so when I'm not getting any sun, I get a little more acne. But that's really my only symptom. Everything else works really, really well. So that's what dialed in would mean.
Alright guys, well, do this next. Click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization. Thanks.